Hey there, fellow gardeners. Today, we're looking into the world of electric hedge trimmers. But before we start, don't forget to click that link in the description below for more details and product links. And if you love gardening and landscaping content, smash that subscribe button. Now, let's get trimming. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER LHT-18C1. This little powerhouse from BLACK+DECKER has been my go-to for quick touch-ups around the yard. At just under 6 pounds, it's like wielding a feather. The 18-inch dual-action blade slices through branches up to 9/16 inches thick. I've taken this baby through some seriously overgrown forsythia, and it didn't even break a sweat. The anti-vibration system is pure bliss. I can sculpt hedges for hours without my hands feeling like they've been through a cement mixer. Battery life is impressive too and runs for about 45 minutes on a single charge. That's plenty of time to whip your garden into shape. One small drawback is that if you've got acres of hedges, the 18-inch blade might feel a bit small. But for most of us home gardeners, it's perfect. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER BHT350FF Trimmer. This corded BLACK+DECKER trimmer is the beast of hedge trimmers. The 4-ampere motor is a workhorse, maintaining a steady 4,000 RPM even under load. I once tackled a 100-year-old privet hedge with this bad boy. It sliced through 1-inch branches like they were butter. The 22-inch blade is made of high-carbon American steel. It stays sharp longer than my grandma's memory of her secret apple pie recipe. One thing to note is that at 6.5 pounds, it's not the lightest trimmer out there. But the weight distribution is so good, you'll barely notice after a few minutes. Number 3. Saker HT01 Cordless Hedge Trimmer. Coming in at number 3 is the Saker HT01. This little dynamo is perfect for urban gardeners or anyone working in tight spaces. Weighing in at just 2 pounds, it's the lightest trimmer I've ever used. The interchangeable blades are a game changer. You can switch between the 8.9-inch hedge blade and the 6.8-inch grass blade in seconds. The 20-volt battery gives you about 50 minutes of run time. I've used this to trim bougainvillea trellises 40 stories up without breaking a sweat. One limitation is that it struggles with branches over 0.6 inches. But for most urban gardening tasks, it gets the job done effortlessly. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER LHT3-1FF. Runner-up is the BLACK+DECKER LHT3-1FF. This cordless marvel has been my faithful companion for 3 years now. The 22-inch dual-action blade is forged from the same steel used in samurai swords. It stays sharp 3 times longer than standard blades. The power cut feature is a lifesaver. It boosts the motor from 2400 to 30-100 SPM when you hit tough branches. I once used this to trim a massive boxwood maze for a flower show and won Best in Show. Its battery life is impressive. I've trimmed 30 to 50 square feet on a single charge. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER BHT150. My top pick is the BLACK+DECKER BHT150 trimmer. This 17-inch corded trimmer might look small, but don't let that fool you. The 3.2-ampere motor delivers a consistent 3,800 strokes per minute, outperforming many 4-ampere models. The dual-action blade reduces vibration by 40%. I once trimmed for 6 hours straight, and my hands felt fresh as daisies at the end. At just 3.9 pounds, it's a featherweight champion. The ergonomic design is a godsend when you're working on intricate topiary designs. The only downside is that it can struggle with branches exceeding 5/8 inches. But for precision work, it's unbeatable. There you have it, gardeners, my top 5 electric hedge trimmers. Remember, the best trimmer for you depends on your specific needs. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more details and product links. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening content. Until next time, happy trimming!